Yeah, cause then they make it. That's why.
Yeah.
Now we're recording, working on this, trying to, V-band that. So basically these are 2.8 manifolds. We cut off the ends and grind down these to put the V-band on. Get these on Amazon. Make sure you get the set that's indexed. So that's, we notch it back and then we fit it up. I weld both in and out. Good fit up and good flow. That's what I currently have on the A6. So, that's what we're working on currently. So this is just a short video clip, cleaning up and stuff. Stay tuned. that, we conclude. Clean up the tip, just like this one. And you prepped yourself a 2.8 Audi A6 manifold. And this bad boy gets put on a stock 2.8 motor, like so. And they come around the back. The only thing is, I want to be, I want to do something different with this motor this time around. I had it in the car running. It's a functioning motor. This is not a dummy motor. This is an actual motor that's going to go in my B5. So what I might do is, I've been watching too much Motion Raceworks and all those Cletus and all those guys from 1320 and No Prep Drag. So what I might be doing this time around is actually make this motor like a muscle car V6, in the sense that I'm gonna leave these manifolds, probably sell them to somebody. I wanna make with the Linda Fab flanges, I wanna make my runners go forward like those Mustangs with them single turbo in the front. That's what I want to build. I want to build my manifold where the runners are going this way, so that it will be a 3-into-1, and then they'll wind the front with the turbo in the center and the exhaust twin out to each side of the stock or the bumper. So that's my plan with this motor. So I'm still giving it a bit of thought. I just have to move around a few things, because the Audi motor is tight to house a lot of stuff on the inside, so being so close to the frame rail. But I think I'll have enough room, or I could do a similar manifold like this, a log manifold, and then just extend this portion out and then run it into one still, where it would be something more like this. As you see, it's touching where the coolant pipe is, so that pipe will be moved anyway, because I'm running custom water pump, so that won't be there. So I'll still have the clearance to go underneath the valve covers to run them in the front. So on this side is the coolant pipe, on the other side is the other coolant pipe. But I think I won't have problem. I can route them around, because a lot of these pipes will become converted to AND fittings. So all of these hose and stock stuff right here is going to be gone. Everything will be V-banded and fittings. So stay tuned for that. Even in the back here, this water pipe, I was thinking of customizing it. I was watching on Hot Rod magazine. Some of the V6s have and V8s have similar water pipe that connect the two heads. I see a lot of these guys, they convert this to AND fittings in the back here and then run. I think it was a SEMA build. They did that, converted this to AND fitting back here and ran all the hoses to the radiator directly in the front. So I might do something on a similar plane, because I'm tired of seeing single turbos back here. It's so common, everybody does it, so I want to do something different. So let me know what you think in the comments below. The YouTube channel is now live, so let me know, guys. So with that, I'm out. Peace.